A quick tutorial on the L&R Varimatic heater fan motor. When I received mine, the motor hummed but would not spin, and the fan was hard to turn. The fan should spin very easily. So right under the fan, the gold piece is a bearing, but really a bushing. It's a bronze bushing that's surrounded by a wool or paper that was originally impregnated with oil. And in motors and air handling units, you find these, and here's one, and you can see the bronze, and this is the hole that the oil cup would put the oil in the wool or the material that surrounds the bronze, and it wicks through the pores in the bronze, and the shaft just spins in the bronze. And this is the oil that you would use, and so I used this oil. I was able to get it out by taking off those two nuts on top. Then I was able to drop out the motor with the fan on it. Then to get the fan off the shaft, I took the light, the rust from the end of the shaft with 3/6 grit, and I was able to pry it off with a screwdriver. There is a grub screw there. Then what happened is the bushings had kind of stuck to the shaft, and so the reason it was hard to turn is it was actually spinning the bushing right in the impregnated material. So I was just able to work the top bushing off, and on the lower bushing, I thought that it was pressed in, but it was just stuck in the bushing. And so I just cleaned it up well. I put plenty of oil in there, and it's working okay now. So good luck. These machines are really interesting.